excited about Beachella. April, you need to calm yourself down so you can get through this video. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new here, well then welcome, and my name is April and I cook a lot of amazing recipes. I do skincare reviews and just an overall lifestyle channel. And if you want to hang and be a part of the Time with April family, then go ahead and hit that subscriber button and click on those notifications just to let you know every time I upload a video. So I'm going to bring to you another skincare video for you guys, and today I'm going to review the new Neutrogena Deep Clean Purifying Clay Cleanser / Mask. And I'm going to talk about the product a little bit. I'm going to give you a demonstration and stick around to the very end so I can give you my final thoughts. And if you want to know what I think about this product, then just keep watching. So I've been a user of Neutrogena products on and off throughout my entire life. I really like some of the moisturizers, I like some of the scrubs, and I really like those makeup wipes. Those are really good. But for months now, as I scroll down my Instagram and on the feed, I would see this ad pop up for weeks now. And if you're on Instagram, you've probably seen this same ad. And I guess it worked because it made me want to run out and give it a try. So yeah, like I said, this is Neutrogena's newest skincare product, and you can use it for either a cleanser or a mask, and you can pick it up at any drugstore, supermarket. You can get it at Target. I got mine at Walmart, and I only paid around $6 or $7, so it is budget friendly, and you do get a 4.2 ounce bottle. So in the back it claims that it's a purifying clay formula, is specifically designed to target all skin impurities. It draws out trapped dirt, oil, and makeup that can cause breakouts, while it helps preserve skin's essential moisture. And it's a 2-in-1 formula that can help two ways: as a daily cleanser to clear breakouts while keeping skin soft and healthy looking, and as a mask for deep cleansing. So for the directions for the cleansers, that you just want to wet your face, you want to squeeze into your hands and gently massage over the face, avoiding the eye area. Of course, you don't want to get it into your eyes because you don't want to have any eye irritation or burning. And for the mask, you don't want to exceed 2 to 3 times a week. And you want to squeeze into your hands and smooth an even layer over the skin, again avoiding the eye area, and allow up to 5 minutes to dry, and then rinse thoroughly and then pat dry. So let me go ahead and squeeze a little bit out on my hand, and it has a creamy consistency. It has, the color of it is like a light blue or light green. I think they tried to make it similar to the color of the bottle, but yeah. And the smell of it, I think the best way I can describe it is, it smells a little medicated, if that makes sense to you guys. It doesn't smell sweet, it doesn't smell like flowers or perfume or anything. It smells medicated, and I think that's the best way I can describe how it smells, so I hope that helps. Just so you know, I have combination to oily skin depending on what time of the year it is, and I've been using it now for almost a month because I really wanted to see how my skin responds to it. So now I'm going to go into a demonstration on how I used it both as a cleanser and a mask, and stick around because I'm going to give you my final thoughts. So I gave you an idea on how I use the cleanser and the clay mask. So let me give you my final thoughts. First, the positives. So obviously the best thing about this product is the price. I only paid around $7 at Walmart, but you can pick it up at any drugstore, grocery store, wherever you like to shop. So you're definitely not going to break the bank. What really excited me about this product is that you get both a cleanser and a clay mask all in one bottle. So when you really think about it, you're only paying one price for 2 different products. You can use it as a cleanser during a week, or you can use it as a clay mask during a week. And that's what excited me, and that's really why I wanted to buy it and give it a try. Now let me tell you about the negatives about this product. So I've been using this product for now almost a month, And since I've been using it, I have noticed some breakouts around my skin, and especially around the chin area, because when I break out, I usually break out around my chin area. And I should have mentioned in the beginning that it does have an ingredient called salicylic acid acne treatment. And I think it's probably designed for people with problem skin, or maybe dealing with psoriasis or some type of acne. And I think that ingredient may be a little bit too harsh on my skin, because I really don't struggle with problem skin. You know, I have a combination to oily skin, so I think that ingredient may be a little bit too harsh, and I think it really affected my skin, probably in a negative way. But if you have problem skin, it might have a different result for you than it does for me. So I don't know, maybe it was just my bad. Through the advertisement, I never got the impression that it was for problematic acne prone skin. I thought it was just a deep cleanser just to help the skin feel really clean and clear and purified and soft and clean. So I don't know. And when I did use the cleanser, I did feel my skin, expecting it to feel really soft, and I did feel some dry patches on my skin. So I would immediately put moisturizer on my skin, but you should have a moisturizer in your skincare routine anyway. But after using this, I felt the need to really moisturize and really hydrate my skin. So it really left my skin feeling really dry. At the end of the day, would I buy this product again? Probably not. I just think the ingredients in here is just a little bit too harsh for my skin. It dried my skin up and it caused me to break out. But if you have problem skin or acne prone skin, maybe you'll have a better result. But for me, it just didn't work. And you know, Neutrogena is still a great brand. They have a lot more products in their skincare line, and I look forward to reviewing a lot more of them in the near future. But unfortunately, this product just did not work for me at all. And let me know in the comment section down below if you tried the product. Did you like it? Did you not like it? Did it help your skin, or did it break out and dry out your skin? I would love to know. So that's it, you guys. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe and click on those notifications just so you know every time I upload a video. Until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate you all, and I will see you next time in my next video. Bye-bye.